All right, guys, Elton John today. Empty Garden, a song about John Lennon. Let's take a listen. What happened here when the New York sunset disappeared? Found an empty garden among the flagstones there. Oh, oh, da-da-da, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here, all the lessons for the whole live version of this Elton John Empty Garden. We're on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I have beginner lessons if you are a complete beginner, and I would recommend those instead of just trying to jump in and, if you've never seen my lessons, just looking at all these letters and the whiteboard, what is this about? Well, you have to have a little training to understand it. It doesn't take very long, and then you can get it and play all these wonderful songs you've always wanted to play. But I do have 79 beginner lessons on my website. And my website does work on all your devices, mobile devices, desktop, whatever. And I have, thousands and thousands of lessons on there. Truly a lifetime, more than a lifetime of music for most people. But this is Empty Garden. The thing I love about Elton John is, you have the favorites, Rocket Man and Tiny Dancer. Those are wonderful. But I keep hearing these other songs that he wrote that are not big hit, crowd favorites that everyone recognizes immediately, that are just as wonderful. These little gems, I call them. Just every song has that Elton feel, and they're all fun, no matter what they are. And this is one of them. So he said in the video, you can look it up on YouTube, Empty Garden Live 1999, Elton John said that. He didn't play it very much because it made him sad, but it's about John Lennon, and it's really cool. Not too hard to play, and this is also a great song to learn how to play in the style of Elton, that arpeggio, that arpeggio style he does all the time. This is a great one if you've never played in his style. We're in the key of G, okay? And we'll start with B, D, G, B on the right, and left-hand D octave. Love these live versions because they are a lot of stuff that you don't get normally in an album version, especially with pianists like Elton. B, D, G, B, left hand on a D, and it's just a simple rhythm. Ba-da-da. Now the funny thing is, this threw me off when I was doing this. He puts an extra count in here. This thing right here, there's like 5 counts. It's like 4, everything's 4 except there's an extra count. Why would he do that? Because he wanted to get in his lyrics, so he just put it in there and added an extra beat. Happened here. I forgot the words appeared, but it's just so he can get the words in. So there's an extra count there if it feels kind of weird to hit first. It threw me off, and I had my bar lines in the wrong place. Finally figured out what he was doing. B, D, G, B, left hand on a D, bum, bum. The rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dun, 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 dun. So let me do that for the first 2 measures, and then the extra count. Disappeared, then it's disappeared when you get there. Okay? Da 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 da. See how he did that? It's so you don't even notice it unless you're performing it. You've got to realize there's an extra beat there. Okay? Here we go to a D chord. We were on a G chord. You would say, well, why isn't there a G on the bottom? Because it's a 6/4 chord. A lot of times a G chord will have G on the bottom, but sometimes it has a D on the bottom or a B. Here's just a D. And then we get here, and this is a true D chord. A, D, F sharp, A, left hand on a D. Da, da, da. Same rhythm. Bum, bum. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dun, 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 da, 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 da. Here we have an A chord now. A, C sharp, E, A. 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on an A octave. Bum, bum. B, D, A, da, da, da. Then C sharp, E, A, and then A, C sharp, B. So da, 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 da. B, D, F sharp, B, left hand on a B, 1. Da, 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 da. We kind of start again there like at the beginning, okay? That'll be our part 1, just that top line. Let's try it again. Ready, and happened here. start again there. He doesn't improvise too much, so I'm having to keep myself from vamping too much. He just pretty much plays the chords straight in this first section. So hope you guys enjoyed that part one, along with the wealth of Elton John lessons I have on webpianoteacher.com over the past over 12 years. I had a great time. Hope you guys did too. Talk to you later.